Research suggests the herb Cistanche boosts the immune function and it decreases inflammatory cytokines. Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners have used the herb to support immunity, brain function, and more. The demand is now growing as scientists identify the multiple anti-aging effects. It's been shown in preclinical research to activate immune function and to help to reverse certain aspects of immune senescence. As we age, our organs and our tissues are prone to dysfunction, and so is our immune system. This immune senescence puts us at a greater risk of infection and cancer. Some of the deleterious immune changes that can accompany aging can include a decrease in the available naive or not yet activated T cells, including the CD8 T cells that are needed to kill viral infected cells and tumour cells. A decrease in B lymphocyte cells, which make antibodies that fight specific pathogens. A decrease in the effectiveness of memory T cells that help to keep latent or dormant viruses in check. An increase in pro-inflammatory proteins, including interleukin-6, which is linked to inflamed immune function, and an increase in persistent low-grade inflammation. Scientists have found many natural plant compounds, including those in Cistanche, that can help to slow the rate of immune senescence and to optimize the immune function. Researchers have performed several cell culture and animal studies to identify how Cistanche extract can support the aging immune system. These studies suggest that Cistanche can help to increase the amount of natural killer cells, which helps to defend against tumours and a number of pathogens. It promotes the production of naive T and B cells, also needed to help to fight pathogens, and it supports proper immune system function through its anti-inflammatory activities. It increases the activity of dendritic cells, which help to activate the T cells and to decrease the harmful pro-inflammatory cytokine interleukin-6. Among the most beneficial compounds in Cistanche are the polysaccharides and a class of polyphenols called phenylethanoglycosides, and these include echinacea. The echinacea is also a key component of echinacea, the herb known for supporting the immune system. Cistanche has a very high content of this echinacea. A Cistanche extract was shown in an animal model to increase the potency of an influenza vaccine. Substances that enhance the body's reaction to an immune response are commonly added to vaccines to improve their effectiveness. When Cistanche was added to an influenza vaccine, it elicited more rapid antibody production against the flu antigens. Cistanche's anti-inflammatory activity makes it a good candidate for protecting against the damaging effects of neuroinflammation. In a placebo-controlled pilot study, men and women with moderate Alzheimer's disease took 300 milligrams of Cistanche 3 times a day for nearly a year. Taking the Cistanche resulted in significantly lower levels of certain inflammatory factors in the fluid surrounding the subject's brain and spinal cord compared to the untreated group. Untreated subjects also had hippocampus shrinkage of 4.2%, while the Cistanche group had no change in the volume of their hippocampus. The hippocampus plays a key role in cognition, memory, and learning. Consistent with these findings, the Cistanche group performed significantly better on cognitive tests at the end of the study. In addition, a rat model of Alzheimer's showed the echinacea and the other bioactive components of the Cistanche can pass through the blood-brain barrier to protect the brain cells. Preclinical research suggests the Cistanche can help to fight cancer cells in the esophagus, breast, colon, and liver. For example, Cistanche has been found to trigger the death of colorectal cancer cells. One laboratory study found Cistanche inhibited the growth of colon cancer cells by 60% within just 72 hours of the treatment. This included cancerous cells that had metastasized. In mouse studies, Cistanche stimulated the immune system, increasing the levels of cancer-fighting CD8 T cells. And Cistanche inhibited the growth of liver cancer cells, and it greatly improved the rodent survival rate. Scientists use species with short lifespan, including fruit flies and roundworms, to quickly test the lifespan effects of compounds. Though these creatures are tiny, their organ systems and their cellular processes have many similarities to our own. When adult fruit flies were given Cistanche for 20 days, it extended their average lifespan by as much as 18%. Another study used small roundworms to test the longevity effects of the echinocide found in the Cistanche. The compound increases the average lifespan of the roundworms by 13% compared to an untreated group. These findings are not surprising considering immune senescence is a major cause of death in aging people. Once we hit puberty, our growth hormone levels drop by 14% per decade. Declining health and longevity tend to accompany this hormonal downturn. Cistanche may provide a natural way to promote youthful growth hormone levels. When rat pituitary cells were exposed to compounds from Cistanche, they stimulated the secretion of growth hormone. The echinocide was especially effective. Research suggests Cistanche has many health benefits beyond promoting the longevity mechanism and improving the measures of the immune function. Cell culture studies show the echinocide stimulates bone-building osteoblast cells to regenerate bone. Postmenopausal rat models of osteoporosis have found Cistanche can reverse bone loss and improve bone density. Preclinical research suggests that Cistanche could help to improve insulin resistance, promote healthy blood sugar levels, prevent depression, and lower cholesterol. Cistanche can also help to combat fatigue, support reproductive health, alleviate constipation, and reduce the severity of cataracts. One rat study showed Cistanche could bring back libido in castrated rats. Therefore, many bodybuilders are now using Cistanche as a natural testosterone-boosting herb. A long, healthy life requires healthy immunity. Immune function and lifespan are closely linked. Immune system dysfunction, or immune senescence, brings increased risk of infection, cancer, and chronic inflammatory conditions. Extracts of the herb Cistanche contain the bioactive compounds that support the immune function, and preclinical studies suggest the Cistanche could help to boost the immune defenses, reduce cancer risk, and to increase lifespan. Human research also shows Cistanche can help to reduce neuroinflammation and protect brain function. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.